Hi, my busy bumblebees. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's draw a road maze for a school bus. Then we'll pretend it's driving from home to school. You need to get a paper towel roll, sheet protector or Ziploc bag, paper, sticker, scissors, pencil and marker, and Scotch tape. When we're done, we'll open the Kinder Egg. Place your paper around the paper towel roll. Put 4 tapes to make it stay in place. Adults can help the kids to draw the maze using the pencil. Kids turn to trace using the marker. Try to stay on the line. Place the sticker at the top of your plastic sleeve. Use the scissors and cut 1-inch strip. Place your strip around the paper towel roll and cut the extra off. Use the tape to hold it in place. Write S for start and F for finish. Use your left hand to hold the strip and use your right hand to turn the roll. Gently move your left hand up and down to make the bumps and turns. You did it! Great job! Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a holiday character. Thanks for playing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!